This is an update for all of you on YouTube. I've got the electrics into this van, full video coming up soon, but I'm also sending this to Marianne right now because she hasn't seen any of the electrics work yet. So right now, funny enough, I'm charging my phone because it's at like 15% after filming all day. So it's switched on here. The cabin lights, they work. You can hear the cabin light controller boot up. What it doesn't have though is cabin lights to actually run, although I've tested it with my test light. I also have the inverter. You can see it powers on. So right now it's putting out 110 volts. The inverter, or the 110 volt power point, is put in. The fan, this is probably what she's been waiting for the most, is to see this. She had this installed before I got involved, but that's a spinning fan. I'll actually close that because we're going to be taking this to go and do the 110 volt power point really quick, 120 volt. But that being said, the fan functions perfectly. We have the lights ready to go and be hooked up. We also have the fridge power is connected, ready to go. She just needs to order her fridge. Her fridge will go at the front of the bed and plug in via a lighter socket, and that's what this powers right now. The USB points up there as well. We hooked up. And the water pump. The water pump is live as well. No water in the tank. I have to finish a bit of the plumbing, but really the van is pretty much functional. So watch for all the videos that we're posting that will show how we did each section of this. I know the last video we posted is still kind of at the very beginning, but the cabinets are all in. The sink drawer is in. Yeah, it's probably touching there because it's not glued down yet, but the sink is in. We'll be testing all of that and showing you how we did all that in future videos as well. So enough rambling. I do horrible at this off-the-cuff stuff, but here we are. Look forward to the rest of those videos. And Marianne, hope you enjoy seeing what you see. In a couple days, you'll have your van back and it'll be ready for the road. So I'm excited for that. Yeah, till next time.